Episode 2, O4 Air Unit Pro Activation and FPV Goggles Binding. Activate the Air Unit. Download and install the DJI Assistant 2 Consumer Drone Series from the DJI website and then run DJI Assistant 2. Distinguish between the Mac and Windows versions. After the download is complete, run DJI Assistant 2. Then connect the aircraft to the battery. Locate the VEX tuning port on the left side of the aircraft. Connect the air unit to a computer using the Type-C date cable. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. Make sure that the goggles have been updated to the latest firmware version before binding. Before binding, ensure the aircraft is connected to the battery. Please remove all propellers during the binding process. Short press, then long press the goggles power button for 3 seconds to turn on the goggles. Select the aircraft model on the status page of the goggles. Switch to DJI O4 Air Unit Pro mode. Then short press the bind button on the goggles. The goggles will start to beep continually. The bind button is located on the left side of the front of the aircraft. Use tweezers or a pointed object to short press the bind button. The air unit indicator light will turn from solid red to flashing red and then to solid green. Once the binding is successful, the goggles stop beeping and video transmission feed can be displayed normally. This indicates successful binding. That's all for this video. In the next episode, we'll introduce ELRS, TBS binding, and RC link instruction.